Hello students, in this video we are going to see a game where white ruined the opponent's castling by attacking the rook. So the opponent's king stays in the center. Then he sacrificed material to mount the pressure on the opponent's king and finally checkmated him. Let's see the game. In this position we are white and right now white is one pawn down. You can see that there is no pawn on f2, so white is a pawn down. But look at this piece, knight, not doing anything, and black has moved these pawns forward and this bishop is pinned. So black is in trouble. That's more than enough compensation for the pawn. And white played bishop f6, attacking this rook. And if black goes castling, that's not a good idea, because now you can play exchange sacrifice. And look, we eliminated the opponent's dark square bishop because we have the dark square bishop and we want to attack on these dark squares. So if the opponent does not have a dark square bishop, no one can defend these dark squares. We can easily attack on these squares. We put more pressure on this weak e7 square. Opponent has to defend it. And then we play queen d2. What's the idea? We want to go queen h6 and it will be a checkmate on g7. That's why we eliminated that dark square bishop. If king covers it, then we have knight check. And now what? Now we sacrifice the knight. We want our queen to go to h6. That's why we give up this knight. F cross e6, we play queen h6, threatening checkmate, so knight defends it. We play queen cross g6 and it's winning. In the next move, we are going to win the queen also. So it's game over. So that's why when white played bishop f6 and attacked the rook, black is forced to move his rook. He cannot go short castle. And now this king will be stuck in the center forever. And we put more pressure on it. Rook e7 check. Again, the logic is simple. We have the dark square bishop. We eliminate opponent's dark square bishop so that we attack on the dark squares. Knight cross e7 and we put pressure on it. Queen d7. Maybe he wants to just go short castling. Maybe he wants to sacrifice the knight. And we put more pressure here. More pressure. And black played queen e6. Black is willing to give up a pawn to finish the attack. Black is hoping that white will take the queen. After rook cross e6, he will just play rook f7 and he will protect this knight. But here white played queen b5 check. Black played c6 and white played queen cross b7. So white is attacking this rook, white is attacking this queen, and there is an x-ray attack on the e7 knight also. Black cannot save all these threats. So black resigned in this position. And notice that opponent's king is still stuck in the center. It's game over. Now let's go to the next lesson.